Hi guys, welcome to Let's Gossip. Guys, let's gossip. This one is a gossip. I'm not gonna talk very loud. I don't want people to hear me. Let's gossip on this one, guys. Guys, I was asking myself all along that this Istembu Sagamosane, they don't have like a therapist. They don't have somebody that they go to like for therapy, somebody that they talk to, because it's a lot of things. It's a lot of things going on in that conglomeration, ne? I all along asked myself, guys, I remember this guy. You see this guy? I remember this guy. I saw him once or twice during this episodes, This guy now is telling these wives that when you are in a marriage, you don't dump a cheater. Ubachela straight, it's an advice that he gives them that mawushadile umuntu wakho achita, you don't dump a cheater. So I don't know if this applies to Musa as well, meaning if maybe one of the wives or abafazi bakhe baya cheater, he is not supposed to dump either of them. That's what I'm asking myself. But Lo Baba Lo is telling these wives during a session that you don't dump a cheater. Uthi, the only time that you can dump umuyeni wako is when akshaya, or utini, when he hits you or humiliator. I don't know humiliation ukhuluma ngani. Mara le yakchita, uthi never. Uthi that thing, you don't do it. You do not dump a cheater. So I'm asking myself that, lo baba lo, I'm just asking myself that, does he even talk about what you bring or what whoever cheats bring into the union? STIs, HIV, spirits, spirits, very important, spirits. Does he ever think about things like that when he advises the wives that when umuntu wakho or indoda yakho ichita, you don't dump him? And one other thing is, Lo Baba Lo obvious, it's a friend yakamusa. Lo Baba Lo obvious, uyahlala akhulume noMusa. So I don't know ukuthi uyakhuluma noMusa before these sessions, before he goes to meet these women, or maybe uyamtshela uMusa ukuthi tell them this and that and this and this and that. You understand? But to be honest enough, le advice, I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, guys, it's for them to decide ukuthi bafunani, but cheating comes with a lot of things. Sometimes when a woman fights, a woman is not happy, a woman makes a fuss about indoda echitayo, it's because of a lot of things. There are so many married people who are sitting in marriages badla amapilisi a HIV. There are so many of them. And then you will find a person who will come and tell you, ukuthi, you don't dump a cheater. So, guys, I don't know. I really don't know. But anyways, that's how he feels. And it will depend ukuthi bayithatha kanjani. But cheating comes with a lot of things. All those spirits that a person comes with, evil spirits, all kinds of spirits that a person comes with in the marriage, all kinds of diseases, and somebody will come and tell you that you don't dump a cheater. Yo, guys. Anyways, there's nothing that we can do or we can say about it. We will just zizohlebala. That's it. guys. Please subscribe and like, and let's meet on the other video. Bye.